the second wind. The most difficult race for a runner is one that has unknown distance and high stakes. No price is higher than our own lives. You can't settle into an easy pace in fear of falling behind. You can't tell if you're doing well or last in line. You can't see the end, but still want to believe that every sacrifice means something, that every drop of blood and sweat and tears means something, that everyone you couldn't carry with you means something. We can't sit on chairs of comfortable lives thinking everything's okay, because in the past, things have been worse. We have not reached the mountaintop yet. Breathe this all in. We're going to need each other in the end.
Seems